How to customize Lovable project styles and themes. So in order to do that, first, head over to lovable.dev, scroll down and locate here the project that you wish to actually edit. For example, I have in here this. Just head over and open the particular project, and you should be able to see in here a preview of that project, as well as your conversation with Lovable. So as you can see, when you click on specific parts, it will only help you navigate to the actual page and will not let you edit it. So you can actually customize this by chatting with Lovable AI right here. So let's click onto this Ask Lovable. So for example, let's ask them to change the image in the home page. So you can send that, and then Lovable will actually change it for you. So this will think first and change it. Alternatively, if you don't want to use the Lovable chat, you can actually edit it using the code editor of Lovable. You can hover right here to the GitHub, and you can click on this edit in VS Code. As you can see right now, it has changed this particular style, and in here you can see that it's now changed, which means that you can actually change it using the chat or to the code using GitHub. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.